In this video, I want to give you an overview on the controls of DeRoom Pro. When you first open up the plugin, it looks like this. On the top, you have 4 different controls: the spectral focus, settings, difference, and bypass. The spectral focus mode can be used to tune all parameters in 3 different frequency bands, which can be adjusted freely. In the settings menu, you can control the underlying algorithm, and you can use it to resize the UI to double size or single size. You can use the difference listening mode to listen to just the reverb part, so it will show you what DeRoom Pro is taking away from the signal. Finally, the bypass button just bypasses the whole plugin, so the signal passes through unaffected. In the center, you have 2 different visualizations. The top one shows you the signal, while the bottom one shows you the applied gain. You can choose between waveform and spectrogram visualization. The most important controls you'll find at the bottom. There's a sensitivity, a reduction, an attack, and a release. The reduction defines how much reverb you want to take away from the signal. So 100% means you want to take all the reverb away and just end up with a dry signal. The sensitivity, on the other hand, defines how aggressively the plugin is going to try to achieve this reduction. So obviously, the most aggressive setting would be both controls turned all the way up. Usually, you would want a very high reduction and then play around with the sensitivity until you find the sweet spot between reverb reduction and arising artifacts. The attack and release controls can limit the speed of the gain adjustment. So if you feel like the gain comes in too fast or goes away too fast, you can limit it with attack or release to reduce artifacts.